are you?
I'm Mom.
You're my mom?
Yeah, and you're Sweetie.
Oh, give me that. Mom, can I have that?
No, that's yours from school. Huh?
Hey, Mom, go watch TV in your room.
No. I'm going to watch him. You're the mom, and I'm the mom, and this is my phone. This is my phone. And you're the Sweetie.
No, give me that.
No.
Give me that.
No.
Why not?
Because you are badly. Because you went to school. Are you going to, or Sweetie, you're going to school.
Can you go that way?
Sweetie, this is not.
Mom.
What?
Can you go that way?
Yeah. I want to go get the nail polish, okay?
Mom,
What?
the nail polish is not there anymore.
Oh. Let me go get some.
No, come here.
I want to go get some.
I'm gonna cry, Mom.
Sweetie, I want to go get something.
No. Okay, Mom, I wanted to go that way.
Okay.
Mom,
What?
is it school time?
Yeah?
Come here. So, what am I gonna wear for school?
You're going to wear the awesome shoes.
What awesome shoes?
Let me show you.
Yeah, she thinks she's my mom for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. She doesn't stop. She's gonna go get my shoes. Mom! Mommy!
You should, Mom.
Go there.
Look.
I don't think that would fit me, Mom.
No, this is your shoes.
No, I'm not gonna wear that.
No, these